Hey guys, good morning from Kaza. I'm so glad we stayed back at Kaza after our trip to the three villages. And this is right now in Spiti River. We are off-roading in Spiti River. These two vehicles of ours, and the river here is flowing fast, and it's beautiful. Let me show you. On our way to a place called Chicham, and we're just passing through this gorgeous bridge and another Grand Canyon look of India. Look at that. And this is the bridge, Chicham Bridge. बहुत सोना है इधर. We've reached Losar after going past Chincham and a couple of other villages which has got stunning views, and this is the last village before Kunzum Pass. See you there. We have arrived at Kunzum Pass. That's right behind us. It's at a very high altitude, and even if I'm speaking right now, I can feel a little headache. So if I move fast, yeah, बात भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ मैं. So there's a spot at Kunzum Pass, and there are a lot of old stones with this colorful markings here at this place. They look good, but I don't know in what language they are written in. Probably their Himachali language. Okay guys, so we have stopped over at this dhaba in the middle of literally nowhere. So on India's 505 highway from Balatal, a place called Balatal, and this place is called Chatru. The road is, I mean there's no road, like we literally drove on the river, and we're gonna camp here tonight, and I'm gonna show you this place. So there are two drivers, two riders in fact. They're sleeping here, and we just had our food. But we are 5 people and there's only place for 3. So 2 people are gonna be camping outside, and I'm gonna be sleeping outside for the first time ever. And it's cold. It's freaking cold. Okay guys, this is our tent for the night. There we have parked 2 of our cars to protect our tent from the wind. We are gonna be having our mat.
तो यार अपने पास क्या है कि ऐसे तो टेंट के नीचे स्लीपिंग मैट वो मैट्स लगती हैं.
Okay.
तो मैट्स नहीं है, हमारे पास देसी जुगाड़ है.
अच्छा मैट्स लगती है, मुझे तो आइडिया नहीं है
वैसे मैट्स लगती हैं तो, लेकिन अपने पास मैट्स नहीं, तो देसी जुगाड़ है. हम इसे बोलते हैं दरी पंजाबी में.
और इंग्लिश में
दरी.
जा रहा है तो अच्छा. So Devang is helping us out by bichafying the dari.
काफी सही इंग्लिश.
काफी सही. अच्छा चलो फिर. See you in the morning. Good night.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning guys. Good morning.
Hey, KOOLJATT, what's up?
Good morning guys from our camping site. This is on National Highway 505 at Chatru. It was bloody cold in the night. I hardly got any sleep, but my mates, they slept well. So here we have 2 bridges. Last night we did some astrophotography, and this looks like a broken bridge, and there's another bridge on that side. Let me show you the views.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
The first goods truck seems to be arriving right now at 6:45 a.m. One thing I want to tell you about this place Chatru and this highway is it's open only for 4 months in a year, and rest of the time it's off. There's one bus which goes every day from Manali to Kaza, which goes to this exotic place. And guys, I need to tell you that this is one of the most treacherous, the most difficult road. I can't even pronounce treacherous. My lips was freezing. I think my nose are red now. So yeah, one bus every day from Manali to Kaza. Oh my god, that's one hell of a ride. But I want to show you one thing, which really saddens me to see the nature in this condition. Even at such locations, this plastic waste, this bottle here, this plastic, like there's so much waste, and there's pristine river going here. By the way, it's Chandatal river. So guys, if you're coming here to the Himalayas, to the mountains, please carry your waste back with you. अपना सामान खुद लेके जाओ वापस, यहाँ पे फेंको मत, क्योंकि फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए नहीं रहेगा ये. लाइक अभी इतना गंदा है, बाद में कैसा रहेगा. प्लीज़ 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 इट्स रिक्वेस्ट कि जब भी आप इधर आते हो, ट्राई टू टेक सम स्टफ फ्रॉम हियर, टेक बैक होम, थ्रो एंड डिस्पोज ऑफ एल्सवेयर वेयर प्रॉपर डिस्पोजल जहाँ पे है. बट या, if you want the nature to be like this, untouched, please keep it clean. Thank you.
पॉइंट है बहुत सोना. कतरे लागे
रात में नींद आई?
मस्त.
अच्छी आई?
और क्या, I had my very good sleeping bag which you didn't have.
Okay. Okay.
It's not a brand endorsement. मैंने brand का नाम नहीं लिया.
ओवड़ा पड़ा.
मुझे मूड में आ रहा है करके. Doing Punjabi things.
क्या बात है.
We were supposed to be leaving at 7 and now it's already 8:30. ऐसे ही टाइम पास चलता रहता है when you are with a fun loving group. Doxa is nice and ready, nice and cozy.
Yeah, first ever experience.
First experience?
हाँ, पिछला अच्छा था, वो ऑर्गेनाइज कोई और कर रहा था ना.
अच्छा.
This time we have to organize everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक.
Talk to the experienced guy.
The experienced guy is here. The Punjabi traveler.
Punjabi.
Vendor.
Hello.
How
how is your experience being
It's good.
sleeping with two other guys?
Sleeping. Sleeping with two other hairy guys.
Oh my god. Okay, I can't put this on my vlog.
I repeat, don't do this. Never do this.
Don't try this at Spiti.
2 मिनट. लेकिन छाड़ मारती. 2 मिनट.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.